Welcome to a demonstration of the Usked app. This app is available through both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. In this demo, we'll first show you the service provider experience and then take you through the customer view. Once a service provider is logged in, they're immediately taken to the home page. Within the home page, there are many features and functions that are quickly accessible. Let's dive in. Swiping across the top will allow service providers to view their current and previous assignments. Tapping on any of these assignments will take us to the Service Request Details screen, which houses all information and details pertinent to the request. Within the Service Request Details page, service providers can make a call to a POC, send a message, and navigate easily by viewing the address in a map. Within the calendar function, we have the option of month view or agenda view. We can tap the days in the month view to see requests, or we can see them listed through the agenda view. Also through the home page, service providers have the option to search for available assignments that need to be filled. They first select the Search Posted Requests button on the home page. Here, service providers can search posted requests that need to be filled. After filling out the preferred zip code and distance, the system will filter based on this information and the service provider's availability. After tapping the thumbs up on selected assignments, the system automates an alert to let the scheduling team know that the service provider is available and willing to take the assignment. Now it's time to invoice. Let's click on the invoice icon. Service providers can easily add assignments that are completed and available to be invoiced. Within the invoice function, we can quickly select all assignments to invoice by first clicking on Add More Jobs and selecting all assignments ready to be invoiced. Here is a PDF copy of the invoice available for download. This function allows service providers to save invoices for their records. We have found that this is especially helpful when it comes to tax time. Send email to billing allows service providers to reach out directly to the billing office if there are any questions or concerns with an invoice. Just as with service providers, once logged in, customers are immediately taken to the home page. Swiping across the top will allow the client to view their past and future service requests. The Service Request Details screen and calendar functions are the same for customers, making for convenient viewing. Now we'll cover how to quickly request services. We've found that it's much more efficient for customers to feed in their own requests. We no longer have to go back and forth with the customer until all the necessary information is gathered. This saves everybody time, all the while reducing opportunity for human error. Let's select Create Service Request from the home screen and follow the prompts. It's a two-step process. We will first create the assignment and then add in all of the details. What's nice is that locations, points of contact, and file attachments are all stored in a way that can be reused across multiple service requests, saving the customer time. Lists, such as audience sizes and dress codes, are completely customizable. You decide what you want to have in those lists based on what makes the most sense for you and your customers. Here's the job that we just created. Should a customer decide to cancel a service request, they would simply tap on the cancel icon and type in the reason for the cancellation. Usked has a built-in feature that allows customers to conveniently provide feedback. When working with many customers and service providers, receiving feedback is critical to refining the customer experience. The customer needs only to select Leave Feedback, offer their thoughts in the space provided, and then hit Submit. That was a quick rundown on the Usked app from both the service provider and customer perspective. Thanks for watching and for your interest in Usked.